Hey, Michigan, what up, though? It's Friday. You ain't got no job, and you ain't got shit to do. Man, come on and get this word. Today, if you couldn't tell, we're about to venture into the Great Lakes State to uncover its top advanced manufacturing and engineering trade schools. From the D to the Grand Rapids, Michigan's manufacturing legacy continues to not only survive, but to thrive. And I'm excited to showcase the people that are shaping Michigan's future. It's coming back, and it's not just a reinvestment in manufacturing that was here, but the Great Lakes State is reinvesting in things like advanced materials, EV, 3D printing, and all of the new technology that's really changing the game. Not only that, Michigan has committed to becoming the mobility capital of the world. And they're not just saying it, they're putting their money where their mouth is. Michigan is rebounding in a major way, and they stand to bounce back again as a leader of innovation in the industry all across the United States. Before we dive into our exploration and innovation and all of this dope stuff going on in Michigan, I gotta shout out our sponsors, machinistjobs.substack.com. If you're a machinist or in the manufacturing and machining trade and you're seeking better opportunities and fair compensation for your skills, machinistjobs.substack.com is the answer you've been waiting for. Designed by someone that was in the industry himself and powered by AI and special algorithms, this smart job board matches manufacturing professionals with the best jobs suited to their needs and their skills. With weekly job listings from top companies in fields like aerospace, defense, medical, and more, machinistjobs.substack.com is your one-stop shop for career success. Make sure you sign up. It's part of a bigger thing that's coming. I can't really leak it out right now, but that will make sure that you stay in tune for the app that is going to change the game. You heard it here first. All right, now let's get back into the main event. Kicking off our top trade schools in Michigan list, Lansing Community College and their jaw-dropping, multi-million-dollar, state-of-the-art Manufacturing Center for Success. This state-of-the-art facility is a game changer for Lansing's manufacturing engineering technology program, boasting over 14,000 square feet of high-tech labs and brand new equipment, the same that you'll see in the industry. From advanced multi-axis CNC machines to cutting-edge metal 3D printers, this place has it all. But it doesn't stop just at the gadgets. Lansing's hand-cultivated, industry expert instructors are dedicated to giving the students the hands-on, real-world experience that they need to thrive in today's industry. Next up, in Michigan's top trade schools, coming in at number 2, Oakland Community College. With campuses all across the Detroit metro area, OCC is in the heart of Michigan's manufacturing mecca. And oh boy, do they take advantage of that location. It's a hot block. Their state-of-the-art labs are decked out with the latest and greatest CNC machines, metal 3D printers, and robotic systems, giving the students the chance to work on the same things that the professionals use in the industry. But what really sets OCC apart is their incredible faculty, made up of industry experts and experienced professionals from top companies like Ford, GM, and Fiat Chrysler. These instructors bring real-world experience, knowledge, and connections, helping students land invaluable internships and jobs with the biggest names in the business. Their placement rate is some of the highest in the nation. But the school that's taking the top spot on our list of Michigan's top trade schools, it's none other than Henry Ford College, of course. Located in the heart of the Motor City, Henry Ford College is literally only steps away from some of the most iconic manufacturers in America's history. No, scratch that. Some of the most iconic manufacturers in the world, with an industry-leading curriculum that covers everything from industrial robotics to additive manufacturing. Henry Ford College students are getting a front row seat to the future of manufacturing. If that wasn't enough on its own, the thing that makes Henry Ford the top of this list is their incredible partnerships with companies like Ford, Chrysler, and GM. These industry titans aren't just hiring graduates as fast as they can get them from Henry Ford. They're actually helping shape the curriculum, provide internships, and even donate millions of dollars in cutting-edge equipment to the college's labs. I call that a match made in manufacturing heaven, baby. So that's the list. The top 3 trade schools in Michigan. Now, as always, if you like my list, give me that thumbs up. If you didn't like my list and I missed some top trade school in Michigan, put it in the comments below. Let me know which school I missed and why they should be on the top of this list, so they can be considered for the next round. And don't forget, if you're already on your career journey and you feel like you might be stuck in your job or looking for something that's paying a little bit better, log on to machinistjobs.substack.com. Sign up now so you have a profile and you can get weekly alerts on these high-paying, high-tech, highly sought-after jobs all over the United States. And when this bigger project drops, you'll be one of the first to know. Until next week, like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Top trade schools.